Hello and welcome to Vegan Viking Kitchen. On episode 17, we are going to be making vegan shepherd's pie, or should I say shepherdless pie. There is no meat in this. Instead, I've replaced the meat with delicious guilt-free lentils. Each serving should have about 35 to 40 grams of protein, and this is a bulk recipe making 6 big servings. Let's get started with the ingredients. We have sun-dried tomatoes, carrot, bay leaf, celery, chive, spicy pepper, red onion, and garlic. Tomato paste, tamari, olive oil for cooking, vegetable stock, our dried, rinsed lentils, these are still raw, and our cooked potatoes. I left the skin on because I'm lazy, because I want the nutrients from the skin. It's got all the vitamins. For our spices, in my mortar, I put in rosemary, black pepper, thyme, parsley, salt. To my pot, which is also a stovetop pressure cooker, I'm putting in olive oil. Let that heat up just a little bit and we'll throw in our veg and our bay leaf. Our veg is in. Let's cook that down for a few minutes until soft. Our vegetables have now softened. We shall mix in the tomato paste and your herbs and spices. Mix around for a minute, then we'll pour in our red wine and cook that until it pretty much all evaporates. While the veg is cooking, I will mash the potatoes. I need to make a mashed potato for the top layer of the shepherd's pie. Now, adjust for flavor, for salt and pepper. I also added a bit of nutritional yeast as well. You could also feel free to add chives or garlic, but I'm keeping mine simple. Alright, our red wine has cooked off. We will now add in our lentils. Let's give them a good mix before we put in our broth. Our broth is in. Just give it a good stir. And we will cook this until the lentils are tender. Pour in your cornstarch slurry. And keep mixing until you get your desired thickness. Alright, it's nice and thick now. A thick gravy's formed. Just throw in your frozen or canned peas. Don't use canned ever. You're better than that. Just mix it in. The heat is now off. So I'm going to use 2 terracotta ramekins and a bigger one made of glass. We're going to start by scooping in our mixture almost all the way up, leaving a little bit of room for the crust. Alright, let's get the potatoes crust on it. Here we are. I put the potato crust on top, and with the fork I ran lines through it, as you can see. Came out kind of messy, more messy than I would have liked, but that's okay, it gives it character. We're going to put these in the oven for about 10-15 minutes until the crust becomes golden brown and a bit crispy. I'm putting this at 450 Fahrenheit. Here's the vegan shepherd's pie. Just took it out of the oven. I tried to make the crust as crispy as possible. Check it out. I don't know if you hear it, but that's crisp. Alright, let's get these on the table. So, the way I calculated this is I made this into 6 servings, yes? Each serving has 25 grams from the lentils, an extra 3 grams from the nutritional yeast, an extra 3 grams from the peas, and obviously the veg and the potato have a bit of protein as well. So I factored each serving to be around 35 to 40 grams of protein. See the inside, so it's got a nice amount of filling and a nice big chunk of that mashed potato crust. I got nice and crispy in the oven, luckily. Taste time! I like it. This is definitely my new favorite way to eat my lentils because they're a great source of protein. If you would like to see more high protein vegan meal ideas. I post on my Instagram every day. Look me up, Vegan Viking Kitchen is the username. Also check out my blog for great recipes like this and many more with step-by-step picture guides at www.veganvikingkitchen.com. I'm gonna go eat this whole bowl. Until next time, keep it vegan.